Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12. I got the iPhone 12 Blue model in 64 gigabytes, and obviously if you guys have watched some other videos, you know that there's going to be a little bit of changes with this box compared to previous years. Obviously the very first thing is look at the size. It is super skinny, super tiny, and you either love it or you hate it for the reasons that we're going to go over here here in a little bit. But I actually do have last year's iPhone 11 Pro Max model, just as a comparison. I mean, just look at the size difference. This is a beefy boy of a box, and this is really skinny. So we're actually going to go ahead and open this box here. It's got a little pull tab here on the back, so just get rid of that plastic. And then the very first thing we got here is we'll just take this top off, and there we have it. So a lot of these videos don't really, it really makes this color of blue look a lot different. I know on camera it looks like a really deep blue, but in person it's really not that dark of a blue. But we're gonna go ahead and move that over to the side. We're gonna pull the phone out here, and obviously we'll take a look at the design of the phone. It's definitely got those nice rounded corners, nice rounded edges. Compared to the previous models, it's the flatter edges, but the nice rounds on the top. But I really love that aluminum finish on the sides. It looks really nice. We're gonna set that over there for a second. Next up, we have the the general stuff. You got the SIM tool, and then all this is actually a basically like your warranty and stuff like that, so you don't really need that. And then obviously you got your single Apple sticker this year, which has been a big deal for a lot of people. A lot of people love the stickers, some people don't give a crap. I can go both ways. They're kind of nice to have, but I also have like 50 billion of them. And the most controversial part of this entire thing is obviously there's no charging brick, but if you did need a cable, they actually provided a USB-C to Lightning cable, which in the previous phones, they only actually included a charger brick with the USB-C in last year's models. All the other ones only included the regular USB Type A. So if you want to use this cable and you don't have the charger brick, you're going to have to buy one from the website for $19 or buy one third party from somewhere else. So back to the phone here. So instead of actually opting to give a manual of how to use the device, it looks like they've added a paper top, but with a little bit of instructions like the power button, volume down, volume up, and then your ringer. And then at the very bottom, there's actually a little charging symbol. So we're going to go ahead and pull this paper off. So satisfying. This is the first time I'm ever getting to see the instead of glass, it's called ceramic shield. But just looking at it without any fingerprints is actually super dope. But this phone actually looks really nice. It's the exact same size as the iPhone 12 Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and boot this up. Hey guys, I actually have got the phone booted up and using the past 3 or 4 days now. I really want to save all of the in-depth stuff for the actual full review. And that'll be coming next week, so make sure you like this video, but also subscribe and turn on notifications. That way when that review gets posted, you'll be able to watch it first. Also, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max and doing a full review on that as well. And I got a few other cool things also coming soon. So make sure you are staying in the loop by subscribing and getting those notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.